Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to unlock Samsung phone if forgot password. So I have Samsung Galaxy A06 in my hand, and in this video I'm going to show you how to unlock Samsung phone if forgot password. So here you can see enter password, and you can see incorrect password entered. So how to unlock Samsung phone if forgot password? Okay, if we try to power it off, you can see it is asking for password before the power off. As you can see enter password to turn off phone. Okay, for this, first connect your Samsung phone to the mobile and laptop with the help of a USB cable, or you can also connect it to USB type C earphones. You can also connect it to USB type C earphones. So now first connect it to your mobile and laptop or USB type C earphones. As you can see, now it is successfully connected. Okay, now after it, press and hold the volume down and power button together until the screen turn off. Press and hold it. Press and hold the volume down and power button together until the screen turn off. Now release and now press and hold the volume up and power button together, and again release and again press the volume up and power button together and press and hold it. And release. And here you can see it will send you in Android recovery mode. You can see it will send you in Android recovery mode. Now the volume keys to move up and down and power button to confirm. So now go to wipe data factory reset. As you can see, go to wipe data factory reset and confirm. And guys, read it carefully. Wipe all user data. This will wipe all user data. This cannot be undone, and all data on this device will be erased. If your SD card is encrypted, all data stored on your SD card will also be lost. So now after it, go to factory data reset and confirm. And you can see data wipe complete. Now reboot system now. And guys, after a hard reset, it might take some time to boot up the device, and after a hard reset, if it again asks for password, use previously logged in Google account to unlock the phone. So guys, this is the method to unlock the Samsung phone if forgot password. Guys, thanks for watching. If you have any query latest video, let me know in comment section below. Please like, share, subscribe, and click on bell icon for the latest updates.